Hello guys, in this video I'll show you SEMrush topic research where you can actually find out topic ideas. You simply enter a topic and SEMrush will provide you with the keyword ideas, topic ideas. You can actually make blog post and get traffic. So this topic research tool is under content ideas widget to topic research. So interface is quite simple. So you can even enter a domain name to find content on, or you can enter a topic. So let's suppose I enter a topic. Let's suppose I say I want content ideas related to Python. I simply write this a simple content idea and click on get content ideas. So now SEMrush will give us actually content ideas related to this keyword. So as you see that now it's collecting content ideas for topic cards. So for each card, as you see volume, it shows you the traffic, Python download, Python for loop, Python code, Python coding, Python dictionary. These are different topics related to the base keyword that you written Python, Python online compiler, Python install. So in this way, you can do this with any kind of keyword that you want to. So these are different cards. So you can click on individual card and it will show you different keywords such as the subtopic volume, difficulty, how much is the difficulty to rank on this topic, efficiency right high. So as you see, you also have this explorer section as well where you actually get content idea, Python snake. So different articles, it actually shows you which actually are using these topics. So this is, you can basically explore this, export this to Excel file so that you can save this. So now you will see everything will be saved in Excel file. So which makes it easy for you to export all these data. So in this easy way, you can actually do the research. So this is the topic research tool in SEMrush to generate ideas, different keywords. You can even enter a domain name. So right here you enter a domain name. Let's suppose I say geeksforgeeks.org. Need to enter a topic right here. Let's suppose I say programming. And now it will connect this domain name that we entered and the base topic that I written, and then based upon that it will generate topic research ideas. So as you can see right here, data structure, write code, computer programming, jobs, programming for beginners. So different cards will be generated. So this is a very useful tool guys if you are looking forward for generating ideas, keywords ideas to actually write content about. So this, I think it's a very useful tool in SEMrush. Definitely check this out. It's right inside topic content ideas, topic research. So for each card, as you see, we have different headlines right here, different questions as well. So definitely check this out.